Do you ever need to make less than a whole hole using the whole hole saw? On occasion, I find myself needing to cut a half a hole or less out of some thicker plate or even some smaller sheet metal. With a piece of sheet metal, it works just to clamp another piece of sheet metal to it so you have something for your pilot bit to hold on to. But with nothing for the pilot bit to hold on to, and this being an inch thick, I needed a way to keep the pilot bit in position and be able to go the full depth of the part. And what I made was this little thing right here. It's just a piece of rectangular tubing, a piece of square tubing welded onto the side of it. I was going to weld on a round tube with just a 1/4 inch hole in it for the bit to just follow down through. But digging through the scrap bin, I found this little piece of metal right here, and it sits right in there, and it wiggles around in the hole, and it rotates so that no matter what happens, the bit can't really keep this, the bit can't get a catch in there to wallow out the hole. So this will last a long time. But nothing else to do now, I think, but show you a little bit of it in operation. Clamp your piece in wherever you need it at, and it'll go right on through it and makes a reasonably smooth cut out of the whole deal too. So hopefully this helps somebody out. I know it helped me out a lot. I had to make 2 of these things.